Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Heidi and welcome back to my channel. This time, I'm going to explain the normalization of database and how can it affect database. So first, let us identify what is normalization of database. Database normalization is a technique of organizing the data in the database. The normalization aim is used for mainly two purposes: eliminating redundant, or let us say the useless data, ensuring data dependencies make sense. Example, data is logically stored. So I'm going to show you an example of first normalization database. Here is my example of unnormalized database. As you can see, it's not yet normalized. So here is the person named Carlo Trillo who rented two movies entitled Spider-Man and Hook, which is action. And then again, Piolo Pascual, age 19, rented two movies, The Notebook and Me Before You, which is a romance. And then Carlo Caparas, 20 years of age, rented a movie entitled Hook, which is an action movie. So that's the example of a normalized database. The problems without normalization: if a table is not properly normalized and have data redundancy, then it will not only eat up extra memory space but will also make it difficult to handle and update the database without facing data loss. Insertion, updation, and deletion anomalies are very frequent if database is not normalized. And now, we need to normalize the unnormalized database. Now let's move into first normal forms. First normal forms rules: each table cell should contain a single value. Each record needs to be unique. So I'm going to show you an example of the unnormalized into first normal forms. And now I'm going to show you the example of a normalized database into normalized database, which I use first normal forms. First normal forms rules: each table cell should contain a single value. Each record needs to be unique. So in unnormalized database, I remove the category because it's not unique. And then I update the table because, as the rule have said in first normal form, each table cell should contain a single value. And each records needs to be unique. So as you can see the difference, from Carlo Trillo rented two movies, in this first normal form, we put Carlo Trillo in single value, which is he rented Spider-Man. And then again, Carlo Trillo rented Hook. And then Piolo Pascual, which in unnormalized rented two movies. In here, we separate it as single value, which is Piolo Pascual rented The Notebook. And then again, Piolo Pascual rented Me Before You. So that is first normal form. And now we are going to make the second normal form rules, which is the very first rule is it should be in first normal form. The second rule is single column primary key. So I'm gonna show you an example of second normal form. Here is the example of 2NF, or second normal forms. Records can be uniquely identified using user ID, or our primary key for table 1. We have divided our first normal form table into two tables. Table 1, this is the table 1 and this is the table 2. Table 1 contains member information. Table 2 contains information on movies rented. So our primary key is very important. So whenever we add or insert, it is not hard for us. It is easy to identify without redundancy happening. Now let us proceed to 3NF, or third normal forms. So the rule of third normal form, it should be in second normal forms. And it has no transitive functional dependencies. So transitive dependencies, when a non-prime attribute depends on other non-prime attributes, rather than depending upon the prime attributes or primary key. The advantage of removing transitive dependency is the amount of data duplication is reduced, data integrity achieved. So based on our table, it has no transitive functional dependencies. So our data attains to achieve the final normalization. Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you will subscribe. Thank you.